No, it's misbehaving because it's on camera. Let's try it again. And it quits. Keeps shutting off too. I replaced this build right here. Sorry, the quality sucks. I'm using my phone, and the microphone is awful, and the zoom is like ridiculous. What the hell is that crap? This is what I was doing before I started recording. Playing just fine, physically, but no picture. I got this with a 19-inch Magnavox TV stereo set, which is really nice. And he said it's programmed for this. So I could use it for this too. Nice. And I have no idea how to program this. Oh my god. It works! I'm glad I was recording this whole thing. I cannot believe it. Two belts. Two random belts. I mean, one was just the main belt. And that one was... That last tape was recorded off cable TV, I assume. I could use the head cleaning thing now. Doesn't sound too good.
DCI Music Video, the leader in music instruction and the first company to release instructional music video, brings you the best.
Flesh tones look pretty good. You can tell in person. On camera it's not that great. It's playing though. Those jail bars are ridiculous. I actually recapped the Zenith several months ago and it didn't fix it. And it sat a few weeks ago. I got it out, plugged it in, and I was using it, and I noticed they were gone, and they're gone. Like, what the hell? Speaking of that, I got that tape. That one's old. DCI music video still, though. Picture's fuzzy, but it's nostalgic, I guess. Let's clean the heads. Like that transition there, that's pretty cool. Where's stop? That sounds weird. Come on, I want to rewind. Really dirty mode switch. Try to find the mode switch in there. Whoa. Did it snap my tape or what? Huh. Okay, that was weird. Didn't need it. I want to manually clean the heads. Dave, 12 volt vids. It's a piece of paper wet and wipes it. And he's been in the business for a long time. He retired in 03, I think. Since this won't eat tapes anymore, I'll use my realistic head cleaner. My good one. Went from saying I'm going to do it manually to doing it with this. Hey, it didn't blanket. That's what it looks like. What a head cleaning tape looks like. I like having a camcorder. I could do cool stuff like that. Zoom in as I zoom out as I walk back. I need to do more stuff like that. I hear if you just used it, the mode switch will be better. It'll clean itself up. And I experienced it with this. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Sure, it's composite only, but it should look better than that. It's bright. Yeah, it doesn't sound good. stop, stop, stop. Nope. Got better. Scan line's pretty good on that. Those Phillips tubes are awesome. Deserves an RGB mod. You know I'm not much of a gamer. Great. Fixed, but it looks like crap. Guess I'll clean the heads manually. Play it. Huh. Through all the noise, it looks good. Here we are, back to square one. At least it plays nice. I did the 12-volt vids. That looks great. That looks a little bit better. It's another tape. 12-volt vids, paper method. There's a little shred stuck on one of the heads, and I very carefully took it off. Pulled it off. I didn't scrape at it or anything. That looks pretty good. Looks like the brightness is too high. Still no stereo. This looks good. Let's go to the phone. I'll use the audio over the camcorder because it's better. That looks fantastic. Too bad it's not in stereo. A bit of ghosting around him. You see that? It's kind of weird. Still no stereo. That sucks. Stereo's important to me. 'Cause, you know, music tapes and whatever else. Good picture, though. In fact, I've never seen VHS look better. Very minimal noise.
LXI music video, the first in instructional music video. We set the standard.
That looks fantastic. You know, like I said, never seen VHS look better. Looks like the brightness is too high in person. As you can see here on the camcorder. Go back to that scene. See how it looks blown out? It actually does look like that. To a lesser extent. Anyway, I'm gonna do some research, and there might be a part 2. Maybe we'll recap the audio board. Probably not, though. Probably just gonna give up.